another video where I will be doing some crazy cooking. Yes! It's this one here, and it has an octopus that has some balls coming out of the bottom of it, and they look happy and crazy. So I'm excited to try this. Let's go and do it. Here it is. Has a picture of an octopus on it and these little balls. So it's like octopus balls or octopus poo. I don't know what it is. I can't read Japanese, but it looks interesting. So we're gonna test it out. It's from Kracie. I'm pretty sure I've done some boxes from them before, so they're not that bad. Like, they don't taste terrible. On the back there's instructions. I can't read Japanese, so I'm not sure what it says, but I'm sure I can follow the pictures and figure out what to do. Wish me luck. Here it is. This is the content that you get inside. You have 3 sachets, 3, 2, 1, and you've got this. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to start. Then you have a little scoopy spoony thing, which is so cute. Look at that. Aww, aww. And then you have this. So I have a pink one. So the pink, blue, and a gold one. Maybe the gold one is rare. And it has a little face on it. Cute. And I got a crumpled up piece of plastic. So I'm assuming we need to get water. So I'm gonna get water. I need to go get water. BRB. Right, so the first thing we need to do, whoa, I just saw a piece of fluff fly over my plastic container. First thing we need to do is put water here and here, and it looks like there's some guidelines, and this particular one says 1 and this particular one says 2. So 1, 2, and water. So I've got some water in this cup and I'm just going to fill it up to the lines. Cool. They're filled. Now let's put the random mystery content into the plastic container. How do I open this? Don't tell me I need scissors. Oh, nope, I don't need scissors. I can manage to rip it open. I'm putting that one into the first one. Put it all in there. So it looks blue and powdery, and it's kind of fizzling. Is fizzling a word? I don't know. Number 2. Sick. Put that in. Ooh, whoa, that's blue as well. It smells kind of nice, like candy. So I'm assuming it's gonna taste like candy. Sounds really, really grainy. That's what it sounds like. I'm mixing all the grain up into this liquid. I don't know when it's done, but I'll just keep mixing it. I think most of it's dissolved. There's kind of like some chunky pieces. I don't know what that's about, but let's just roll with it. And then I'll mix this one as well. Whoa. There should be like a tutorial of how to mix liquids. Okay, cool. So that's done. We can grab this guy, apparently, and then we're gonna put him in here and fill it up with the liquids. Woo! Whoa. Oh my goodness. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's full of liquid. And then we're gonna go to this one and start dripping it in, and it will form bubbles or balls or poops. I don't know what it's meant to resemble, but that's kind of cool. Oh wow. Yeah, it looks like caviar. Whoa. That's cool. It's raining caviar. Oh, cool. I really like this so far. I'm hoping it tastes cool because I'm actually pretty hungry and there's no food in the house, so this is gonna be my dinner. Okay, number 3 you put in here apparently, so whatever you have left over, you put it in. Do I need more water? No, I don't think so. Okay, well, we're just gonna rip this open and put it in. Well, okay. It looks like pure sugar. Let's hope that's sugar and not drugs. Whoa, it's like expanding. It's like some sort of science experiment. It looks like foam. Or like that sort of cream mask that you put on your face. I wonder if I can put this on my face. That is cool. Alright, so that's, I think, done. I think I've mixed most of it. So that's a foam. Those are balls. Last but not least, I meant to put this in. So this, I think, are like little edible decorative pieces. So I'm just gonna put them in this. Oh, that looks so cool. They're like little crystal pieces, like pop rocks. Oh, pretty. I don't want to eat it now. Oh, that's cool. Yep. So that's how it's made. So I'm gonna now try and eat it. Okay. So here I have my my fang that I made before, as you can see. I'm gonna try the foam first, so let's do that. Okay, it tastes like exactly what I was expecting. Foam with some rock candy. It's actually pretty good. So now I'm gonna try some of the blue balls. I grabbed a spoonful of them. Oh, I just inhaled it. Okay, so they're pretty subtle. You can taste the gumminess of them. Not like gummy. It's not too bad. I quite like that. And now I'm gonna taste it together. Wow. So when you mix the foam with the balls and the liquids of the balls, God, that sounds so wrong in so many ways. It actually tastes pretty good. I like this. This is gonna be my dinner tonight. Yup. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did, and it was yummy, so I want to try more of those in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!